thought we would take a minute and demonstrate the strength and ease of moving a nearly 3,000 pound safe. This happens to be a TL-30, weighs in just under 2,700 pounds, and as you're going to see, we're going to be able to push this around using just basically one or two hands. So hold on, and we'll go to give it a push.
Ready?
So as you can see, with relative ease, you gotta drive it. There we go. Now we'll spin it.
Spin it. Which way you want to spin it?
Is absolutely fully loaded.
Oh yeah, we forgot to take everything out. Okay, so it's probably, yeah, it is at 3,000.
Yeah.
Which way you want to go? I would go more to the inside, away from the front area. That's not so bad. Actually, push. Push. You're steering? Push. Got it? Nice. That worked out really well. This is how it looks like without anything on it. This side is the 2000 series. This is the 1000 series. All right, Clint, you're on video now. So this is our first testing of the concept of the TriWich floor swing dolly. It's basically, think of it as a pallet. And this is, we can put pallets on with 4,000, 10,000 pounds. Imagine picking up an air conditioning or a very large refrigerator or, equipment. That's what this thing is for. So, cool. This is just, it works really well. Any comments? What do you think, Clint?
Easy peasy.
Okay.